Hey, what's going on, everybody? Ryan Huggins here. So the next step is going to be step number 6 in the Salesvision Mindset360 training, level number 6 that I'm going to accomplish. So what this one is called is the $1 Million Day. So you're supposed to take a closet and clean it out, take your clothes and donate them, or take your garage and clean out your garage and take that and donate some stuff, or just make it clean and nice. Well, for me, I don't really have a garage and I don't have very many clothes because I've sold them all through my other businesses, eBay and stuff like that. So what I've got is an overflow room here. And this right here is basically supposed to be a guest bedroom, but we have not turned it into a guest bedroom. So that's what we're gonna do now. We're gonna take all the stuff in here that I've used as a storage room and we're gonna turn it into an actual guest bedroom. So here we go, $1 Million Day. All right, so here is the end result. So check this out. Once we get the bed, we'll go ahead and make that over there. We got all the books away now. My girlfriend is an artist. Her name is Jamie. And you can find her at jamielagallery.com if you're looking for some good art. But yeah, so this room is all done. So Salesvision, Mindset360, step number 6, level number 6, $1 Million Day, clean out a room, garage, closet, whatever. So after cleaning this closet, it's kind of got me in the mood to clean up the other closet where actually some of this stuff went into another closet that is for our eBay business. So I've got to go clean that one up now, and I might record that one as well. So have a wonderful day. Don't forget to click on the link and join our team. See you in the group. Bye. I'm so happy and grateful now that money comes to me in increasing quantities from multiple different sources and on a continuous basis. I am so happy and grateful now that money comes to me in increasing quantities on a continuous basis from multiple different sources. Have a great day.